Wait. May naglalakad. May impostor. Ano ba? Game na ba? Time is go. Nakabagi tayo ng mga alas 12 dito. Come on. And number 6, Carlo. Another center ng right. Calgary Hero. Yeah, kicks the top of the IE and number 3. Top of the yellow. Receiver number 20. Pass. To the Pestenza. Rotate the ball. Also dive to number 1. To number 20. To Petulia. At the field pass. No goal. We want the point number 74. Ball point number 22. Setting the play to Garcia. Garcia to number 27. Concepcion. Fake pass to number 22. Sumulong to Garcia. Shots no good. Given by Arce. But there is a foul. Foul number 3 of right. Garcia. First team foul by the white team. Arce. Sorry. How many minutes by game? So yeah. Number 20, the Cuban player fires. No good this time. Keep to Simulo. Number 22. Fake to Garcia. Almost losing the ball. It's outside. Number 1, inbound to number 15, RC. RC is ready to play to number 20, to number 6. Drive pass, Cristo, rebound by number 12. Pass to the alley. It's packing violation. Center referee, Mr. John Bell. John na lang. Sumulong. To Garcia, the 3-point first. Yes! Garcia, 3-point. Kanina pa yan. Pwede siya sa kabila. At lang, 2-point, sorry. 2-point. Set the referee. At the 3-point first again. Puso, rebound by Garcia. Off to by number 1. Deflection, fouls, goal by number 1. And the ball, the running ball, another right. Calgary Yellow. Mr. Silva, Caleb setting the play to the posing, good field to Garcia, pass, Travis, set the referee, double dribble, sorry, it's a double dribble, set, check, the referee, Nidaya, to number 6 Ali, pass, no goal, rebound by Garcia, number 3. Sumulong, dribbling the ball. Keep the Garcia again. Take, drive, pass to Sumulong over Steele. Steele na pa number 1. Number 6, Sumulong again by number 1. Nidaya, setting the play. Pass, shoot. Rebound again by number 2. Find out, no goal. Rebound by 22 Sumulong. Almost rebound Nidaya again. Easy layup, Kinelua. Using the left hand by number 15, Mike Idol. 22, to Carlo for the 3-point area. To Garcia at the first line, pass, Cristo. Follow by Garcia again. Pass, no good, but there's the foul. Foul on number 1, Nidea. First personal foul. First team foul. For the first time, short by Garcia. To the second try. 5 minutes and 53 seconds. 5 minutes and 53 seconds. To the second try. Too strong. One more try. Second referee. Jeff. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. seconds. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. For the third try. No good again. Rebound by Nilea. Nilea. Oh, still by number 6. Almost losing the ball. Talon. To Garcia. Canada Garcia. Tagalog. Pistro. Palot again. No good. But there's the foul. What a play by the red team. Substitution. 5 minutes. Foul on number 15. Arce. This is the second set. Second set na po tayo. Walang palitan ng white. For the first serve, Carlos. Too strong. For the second try. Too strong again. Given by Castillo. Castillo, pinagalan na po. Castillo na po. Tapos, right by Screw. What an acrobatic shot by Mr. Carpio. Number 9 of Buyalo. Number 30, setting the play. To Concepcion, pass, good. Right on baseline by Mr. Concepcion, the manager. Number 28. To number 9, Carpio, Gonzalez. Back to Carpio, fake, pass. Carpio, 3 points. Wow, 5 points by Mr. Carpio. 5 points na po siya. Under 3 minutes and 48 seconds. 3 minutes and 48. Carlo, pass. No good, but there's a foul. And number 8 of Yellow. 8, 9. 8, yeah, 8. Under 3 minutes and 35 seconds. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. For the first round, we have Mr. Kalu. Good for this time. My idol, Bernabe. Ito rin, idol itong Silva na to eh. Pang-artist na to eh. For the second round, good again by Mr. Kalu. Kalu po talaga yun? Ay, hindi mo nalagay sa likod eh. 42 again! Wow! Rebound by Carpio! And here's the ball to si Carpio. What a play by Mr. Carpio! The best player. De Silva. To Garcia. Keeper niya yung power. No go. Given by Carlo. What a power play. Another game. Palot. Yes! By Mr. Carlo. A veteran moves by Mr. Carlo. Bakit? Pass! Kala ko sa akin. No good for this time. It's a red ball. Inbound by Mr. Concepcion. Garcia drives in. Deep to Concepcion. Concepcion setting the play. Drive almost good. By number 9, number 9. Top pass. Good. There's a foul. A bonus shot by Mr. Carpio, number 9. Foul on the Silva. Time out. Okay?
Sinabi mo na time out eh.
Second quarter na lang.
Ay, time out na, time out na.
Time out. Yellow. Under 1 minute and 58 seconds. 1 minute and 58 seconds. Our referee for today, Mr. John and Mr. Jeff. Total change.
Tumawag na. Game.
Back to the penalty. A bonus shot by Mr. Carpio. 10 point. Ano ka?
Kaya nagpahirap sa amin kanina. Gamit ko na yun. Pinirapan kami kanina.
Silva, to Concepcion. Back to Silva. To Garcia, the Compañera, fake, drives. Pass, good! What up? Shot by Mr. Garcia, the veteran move. Ano yan? Waxy? Compañera pass, good! Foul number 21. Marami pong pansin ng yellow. Ang daming fans ng yellow. 18-10. 18-10 in favor of the yellow team. 18-10. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Concepcion. Para sa number 8. But there's only line ball. Same ball. Same ball. Tocalo. Double team. Almost lost the ball. Garcia to Concepcion. Concepcion playing. Fires again to Tocalo. Fires. Good. What a play by Mr. Tocalo. Hati po ang fans, hati. Number 20, Gassis. To number 8, pass to number 21, rebound by... It's the center, the referee, Mr. Jeff. Inbound by number 21. Give to number 8, pass, Castillo, second by Garcia, to Concepcion. Concepcion, back to Garcia, they up. Yes! Easy basket by Mr. Garcia. Under seconds to go. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 4-point lead by the yellow team. Apat na lang po ang lamang ng yellow. 23 seconds. 20 seconds. Gonzalez, pass to number 21. Back to Castillo. To number... To Carver, now, for this time. 10 seconds. Concepcion. Deflection. Short this time. Rebound by number 8. 3, 2, 1. End of the first quarter. We're entering for the second quarter. Our score 18-14 in favor of yellow team. In favor of yellow team. Mr. Marco Trentino. Pre, pernah ka ba Back to the ball game. We are excited for this match between the white and yellow. Nainit ang ako. It's a red ball. Garcia inbound. Keep to Subulo. Subulo siya din ang player to number 20 at 3-point pass. Pistol, rebound by number 6. Isaiah, pistol again. There's a pushing foul. Pushing foul on number 1 of yellow. Second personal foul, Medea.
Tatanong kay Pindak mo. Dahil may upuan ka pa dyan.
18-14 still, 18-14. De Silva. To Sumulo. Sumulo. Back to De Silva. Pass by number 00. Back to number 22. Crossover moves. Drive pass. I give to Kalu. Kalu pass. Good. Back. Counted. First of bonus shot. Foul on double 0-0. 2-0. Foul on number 20. For the bonus shot. Good. 1-point lead na lang po. Lamang ng yellow. 1-point lead. Under 8 minutes and 45 seconds. 8 and 45 seconds. Rebound. Tap. To the Silva. Silva. Crossover. Almost losing the ball. It's packing violation. So the referee, Mr. Jack. 8 minutes and 25 seconds. Still 18-17 in favor of yellow team. Arce, back to number 1 in there. Fake. Give to number 70. Give again to Hidayah. Almost is the ball. Error by the yellow. It's an error by the yellow team. De Silva. Tisimulo. Fake. It's a traveling. Nauna ang hakbang bago ang dribble. Kailangan sabay ang dribble. Pati bagsak ng bola. Arce. To number 1. Mid-there. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Fake. Number 65, Kisro, rebound ng mga teammates. No good. Give to De Silva. De Silva late up. Yes! Change favor. Lamang na po ang white. Under minute of 7 minutes and 20 seconds. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Arce. Pass to score. To double 0-0. Mag-ibang tawa. Double 0-0. 7 minutes. De La Peña. Fake. To number 6. To number 20. Kinilua. Kimberlera. In and out. Rebound by number 1. Alright, by number 22. Video. Jumper. Shoot. Rebound by a power shot by Medea. What a play by Mr. Medea. 23-19. Carlo. To number 22, Kimberlera. Short this time. Rebound by Ayi. Ayi. Keep the number 1 there. To the position of Kaya Deportivo. To score. No good, but there's a foul. Foul on number 74. Garcia. First personal foul by Mr. Garcia. For the first foul, good by number 6. By Mr. Ali. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. 5 minutes and 45. For the second foul is good. Inbound by Garcia. To De Silva. To number 4. Fake to Sumulong. Fake again. Keep it back to Garcia. Garcia drives in. Almost losing the ball. Turn around back. Again, follow up. No good again. Rebound by Galo. Follow up. No good, but there's a foul. Foul on number 1 again. Itea. Substitution time ngayon. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Substitution. White. Palit tayo white. White. Mga palitan dyan. Conception, you have to go inside. For the first try, no good. Under 4 minutes and 52 seconds. For the second try. No good again. Defense by number 4, almost loose. Keep. Pitchfork pass to the wrong guy. Number 28. Again, number 74, Garcia fires. No good. Follow by Garcia. Good again. What a play by Garcia. Power move. Garcia. Oh, to Carpio again. Jumper. 5. No good, but there's a foul. A 2 shot. Second referee. Foul on number 4, White. De La Peña. 2 shot by Mr. Carpio. Under 4 minutes. 4 minutes. For the first round. Yes. 26-21 in favor of the yellow team. 26-21 for the second round. For the game. Maybe 12 points na to si Carpio. Under 3 minutes and 30 seconds. To De Silva. De Silva, drives in, pass, to score, rebound by number 8, to 21, to number 28, Gassi, to number 9, pass, this is the ball, yes. by Mr. Scarpio. Ang galing talaga ng Mr. Scarpio na yan. Number 23. Number 6, Carlos. Oh, Steve! Another for Scarpio. Fire. Goal! 31. Time out. Right. Under 2 minutes and 53 seconds. 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Our score 31-21. 10-point lead by the yellow team. Ayan, napasama rin ako dito.
ATR Basketball is brought to you by Safe Home, Flooring and Development Incorporated. Kuya Giselle Gonzalez, Commissioner, ha?
Back to the pro game. De Silva, one of my idols, De Silva, setting the play. To number 23 at the baseline shot, fires, goal! What a shot by number 23. Ang bira. Yes. Number 21, Jackson, fires, using the goal by Mr. Villegas. Ano ba ito? Apelido? De Leon, sorry, Mr. De Leon, Sumolo. To De Silva, to the baseline shot by number 23, Black. To De Leon, pass to number 28, fires. Using the goal. Yes. Wow! Ang daming tumitili sa yellow. Third point lead na, lamang ng yellow. Oh, back to the right guy. Using by De Leon, De Leon to number 6, to number 25. To the referee, by Mr. Gassis. 37-23. Ano nangyari sa white team? Kaya pa yan, only second quarter. 1 minute and 40 seconds. To Garcia at the baseline moves. Almost losing the ball. Pass, no good. Again, still, follow-up shot. No good, but there's a foul. Foul on number 8 of yellow. Castillo. Castillo. 1 minute and 14 seconds for the first try. Too strong. For the second try. Yes! By Mr. Garcia, score. Only 1 point for the two shots. Seconds to go. 55 seconds. Gassis to the Leon. Fires and to the Leon. Never this time. Follow-up shot. Never again. Rebound by Garcia. Garcia was perfect. Number 20. There's a pass. Too strong. Rebound by Supulong. Supulong. What a defense by number 20. Jumper again. Short. Rebound by Supulong again. Supulong. Pass to the Silva. Fires. Back. Keep the number 23. Gonzalez. Gonzalez. It's a counter, said the referee. Counter, said the referee. Power score 37-26. 11-point lead by the yellow team. 11-point lead by the yellow team. We're entering now for the third quarter. And at the first half. Music yan, music. Wala ka tayong music.
Pwede naman natin patayin to. Ito na lang yung refre. Hindi Hindi naman to live.
Kaya mga alaga, nakakaingit naman.
Alagang baby.